Let's look at the view data. Let's see what we have there. On here you can look at all the live data, and something that I really like about this scan tool is just how big it is. I have been using other scan tools that are a little bit smaller, around 6 to 7 inches, and I kind of got used to that. But now that I have been using this bigger display on this tablet, I like this. I like having this big display. It makes it easier for me to find what I'm looking for. To me, all of this feels pretty solid and normal. I like that we have a search button so that we can quickly search for what we need. If I need to look at the temperature of the engine coolant or whatever the case might be, I can just type that in. It highlights it for me. I can change how I want to view it. If I want to add a graph, if I want to add a dial, whatever you would like to do, this guy is going to be able to do it. You can also change the degrees if you want Celsius, Fahrenheit, stuff like that. You can change it. You can also record, and also, if I forgot to mention, you can do screenshots. You can print out your reports and you can send them to the client as well. So it is nice to have that as well. Special functions. Let's see